Breaking news in the world of technology and finance. Nvidia has just purchased a massive $5 billion stake in Intel. Some analysts are calling it a bold strategic alliance, while others believe it's a shrewd political move. But what does this mean for Intel stock, Nvidia's dominance in AI, and the future of the semiconductor industry? Let's break it down. Nvidia's $5 billion investment into Intel has stunned both Wall Street and Silicon Valley. For years, Nvidia and Intel were seen as rivals, each competing in the chip market. But now, the two companies are moving closer, with plans to collaborate on AI infrastructure and advanced computing systems. This deal comes at a time when Intel has been struggling with production delays, competitive pressure from AMD, and questions about whether it can remain a leader in the semiconductor race. Nvidia's stake could be viewed as a vote of confidence, or perhaps as a strategic way to influence Intel's future direction. So why would Nvidia invest $5 billion in a competitor? There are several possible reasons. First, Nvidia may be looking to strengthen the overall chip supply chain. By partnering with Intel, Nvidia gains access to Intel's manufacturing capabilities, which could be critical for meeting global AI demand. Second, this investment could give Nvidia more political leverage in the semiconductor industry, especially as the US government pushes for more domestic chip production. And finally, by having a stake in Intel, Nvidia reduces the risk of Intel becoming irrelevant, ensuring that the market remains competitive, but in a way that still benefits Nvidia. For Intel, Nvidia's investment is a double-edged sword. On one hand, the $5 billion stake boosts confidence in the company and provides a strong partner in the AI race. Investors may see this as a signal that Intel still has a role to play in the future of computing. That on the other hand, Intel must prove that it can deliver. The company has fallen behind AMD in CPUs and Nvidia in AI chips. Now, with Nvidia on its side, Intel will face even more pressure to execute flawlessly. For Intel stockholders, this could mark the start of a turnaround, or simply a lifeline. For Nvidia, this move further solidifies its role as the most influential company in the chip sector. Nvidia already dominates AI GPUs, and now with a major position in Intel, it gains additional influence over how the industry develops. However, investors will also ask, is Nvidia stretching itself too thin? Buying into Intel may carry political advantages, but it also ties Nvidia's reputation to a company that has struggled in recent years. For now, the market reaction suggests this is seen as a bold but calculated move. And where does this leave AMD? For years, AMD has been Intel's biggest challenger in CPUs, while Nvidia has ruled the AI and GPU space. With Intel and Nvidia moving closer together, AMD could find itself caught in the middle. That said, AMD remains a strong player with a loyal investor base. But this alliance may push AMD to innovate even faster to keep up. For traders and investors. There are three things to watch closely: Intel's stock price, INTC, and whether it responds positively to Nvidia's backing. Nvidia's stock reaction. Will investors see this as a smart power move or a risky distraction? AMD's position in the market, and whether this partnership forces new strategies across the chip sector. Technical traders will also be watching for volatility signals, as big institutional moves like this often trigger algorithmic trading activity. So, what do you think? Is Nvidia's $5 billion investment in Intel a brilliant long-term strategy, or just a risky political move? Could this reshape the future of AI and semiconductors, or will it create more uncertainty in the market? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's get the discussion going. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more breaking finance and stock market updates here on TrendAlgo Finance.